Hey everybody, it's Neil and we are out at the pool and I have a little pool thing here. It is a little handheld, wait, this is not, yeah, it is. It's a handheld pool cleaner of sorts. So let's check this thing out and see what it looks like and see how it works. So it looks like we have a little mesh bag of sorts. We have the little cleaner. I guess this is gonna be the device that connects up to it somehow. Oh, here's the hose connector and the pull for it. So let's see how this is gonna look. It's gonna look like that. So let's try to make it look like that and see what happens. Let's see, so we have this, and then this is gonna connect up into it like this. There we go. Then we have all these poles. I have some very interested doggies. Let's see, we have, I don't know, they all look kind of the same. Takes a lot of screwing to put these together, but whatever. So it's starting to look like that picture. Okay, and then this into there maybe? Yeah, look at that. Wow, it's starting to look like a pool cleaner. And then the end, I guess this one's going in there. We're gonna have a complete pool cleaner here shortly. Okay, look at that. So we have a pool cleaner, and then we have this mesh bag, which it looks like connects around this. Let's see. So we're gonna do that and cinch it up on there. So there. Now it looks like, now it does look, it looks a lot like that other one. And then we have our hose connector. We don't have our hose here. Let me go get the hose. I'll be right back. Oh, okay, so I got it working now. So you can kind of see it down there. It's spraying the water up and stuff, but because it's where it is, it's not gonna work great. But I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna work here. Let's see if we can see it from there. Let's aim you guys down into the pool. But you see I can kind of clean up my little shelf here with this, and it'll suck up the water, clean up these chairs, whatever. And just like that, I'm able to clean stuff. So it's kind of a cool little device here. Let me screw it back on a little tighter. And it's got a long enough hole, I could go down, clean some of the other things. Let me go shut this off. It smells like dog poo. Okay, so that's what this is, and so that's kind of how it works. So it blows the water in and just kind of sucks it up and sucks it up into that top mesh. I didn't get anything because my pool is already clean right now because we have that creepy crawler, but it doesn't crawl up at the top, but the cleaning people just came yesterday. So, and there's no leaves. We're in a very no tree area currently, so we don't have any leaves to really get in there, except for those if it blows, but it didn't blow yesterday. But it's very small. You see it's probably 6 or 8 inches across, so there's no way you're gonna be able to brush this whole pool with this, so don't fool yourself, but it would be perfect for this area up here where I have the shallow area because the pool cleaner doesn't get up there, and so that's what I need to clean is that. So I'll be able to clean that little shelf and clean the steps when people are coming over, super easy and quick. I'm just gonna leave this thing set up and just stick it in our shed so it's ready to go. All I need to do is plug in the hose. So super convenient and cool. So thumbs up from me on this, very nice little cleaner. Links in the description, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.